to talk to you about cold calling. Now, people don't want to touch cold calling with a barge pole. This cold calling where you ring someone up that you've never met before scares a lot of people. A lot of people think it's, sitting in the call center ringing people up when they're having their dinner and just really pissing them off. I do cold calling every single day. I've never had someone tell me to F off. And I'm telling the truth, I never have. Cold calling is just ringing someone up and having a conversation with them, like I'm doing with you now. If you can have a conversation with your friends and your family, you can have a conversation over the phone with anyone. It's not difficult. If you believe enough in your product and your business, you can transfer that energy over the phone to your prospect or the client. If you want to sell your product, you must be able to cold call. You will get a few rejections, you will get a few no's, but take the learning experience from those no's and turn them into yeses. Don't say no to cold calling. It is a very important part of business. So, for example, I work in sales for the PopUp Business School. I send out emails, I call people up, sometimes I send them tweets to get their interest. However, I found the most productive way and the best way to engage with people is to speak with them on the phone. You can send someone an email, you can send someone a tweet, and they can ignore it. If you call them up and ask to speak to them, they can't ignore you. They can put the phone down, but that rarely ever happens. So if you send someone an email and they don't respond, call them. It is the best way in which to speak to them. Don't be scared of cold calling, get out there and do it. Thanks for listening, guys. Be sure to subscribe below, I think. We've got lots of events coming up in 2018. You can check them out on our event page, sign up. Hope to see you there. Bye-bye.